Hey guys, I'm not even sure how much has happened since the last video came out, but it's a lot, so hopefully I'll put another video out today, but today we're going to focus on the plumbing. We just got running water in here, and we did a few things differently, so we didn't have to puncture our roof, and we could maintain kind of the thing that we wanted to do, and save a little bit of energy and water too. So let's go take a look at it. Okay. So, I'm pretty sure we saw these things in the video last time. I have them mounted. They're not hooked up to electricity right now. We just have the water. But we did get our tankless quartz infrared heater installed for the bathroom and one for the kitchen. We also have a running toilet. We did kind of like a barber shop sink almost, like, because it's like the bowl and then there's like the detachable thing. I did all this whole setup so we could do the bowl and have a really like drawn back kind of sink. It's just kind of like a floating shelf there, and it wouldn't have worked to do a traditional faucet. So because it's got the little plunger and stuff like that. Our clawfoot tub is in. It probably needs a little cleaning. I'm actually using it for cleaning other things right now. We need to get a cap for the top there, but it is running, like I said. We will have to do the cob floor here in the bathroom. The wiring for this heater is going to come across here and come up. And we've been doing this kind of Venetian wax plaster. I've been making some of my own supplies here. This is, this is our beeswax and unfiltered olive oil to make it a little bit more usable than that chunk of beeswax. We also kind of switched it up here in the bathroom to do like a buffer wheel, so it goes a little bit faster. Sink is obviously running good. We also have a little separate water heater here. This is going to be the only water heater that actually has a tank on it. If you can see under here where it says hot one, it's a little 12-ounce heater or something like that. Everything else will be from this Scio Green point of use water heater. It's a 220 just like the other one, but this one is 30 amp. And the reason that we have two and we have it set up like this, so it does save a little bit of water and electricity. You don't have to heat it and then run it through a bunch of pipes just to get it all the way over the house. And we did have our little portable dishwasher hooked up. This does have its own little water heater, so we could start using that now to start washing dishes. But as of right now, everything is set, and as long as we get a little bit of electricity going here in the next week or so, we're going to have hot water and electricity. So we're going to do another video real soon. We're going to just keep a few short ones here. Soon we'll be going to the floor, so we might not have a video on the inside for a while just because it takes a while for the curing. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch us on YouTube, Facebook under Juan Blanco, and some of the natural building forums, and then on Permy's forum. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.